Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Dustin here at Stuffed and Budgeted, and today we will be doing cash stuffing my binders. First, we're going to count our money that we got. So we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. Okay. Now we need to separate our money by denominations. Ones, and then our fives. $66 right now. Ones, fives, and 10. Okay. I got the 10 from my wife's wallet because I did not spend it this week at all on anything, which is very rare for me. So that will go in my savings challenge. It's kind of like a little treat. Okay. Let's see what we got and where we put what for this week. But first, let's show my new binders. These are my binders. This one's a call it a dark gray. It is my high priority binder. It says right there, high priority. This is from Collective Budgeting, same as the binders. If it snaps in place, it never does it while on camera. First time. High priority, dark gray. Low priority, light gray. Nope, never did it again. Not even the second time. Third time, yes. Okay. And kind of a tan binder, cream binder. This is my variable expenses. And savings challenge binder. And then this is my savings challenge binder. Monthly challenges. So this will go $500. And I believe I stuffed just $1 in it last week or early this week. So we're gonna go over my savings challenges for this week. My dice savings, we'll go over my dice. Savings has 8, shopping has 10, ammo or Second Amendment has $5. Clothing / shoes is $5. Frugal Fry, my savings challenge, has 8. Penny Pincher has 7. Spot the Savings has 6. And 30 Point Buck has 2. My Mountain Challenge, which is what I call this, has $1. And my wallet gets 3. And I have an extra 10 to put wherever I see fit. All right, I guess let's start with the high priority. And we can scratch out as we go. can go ahead and take $3 out for my wallet first, so we can get that out of the way. So $3 for my wallet. 3 ones, 1, 2, and 3. Some of these ones have seen better days. I usually like to fold it because it fits better, unless you have a lot of money. These are just some sleeves my wife made for me. We'll put that in the wallet. And it's got a nice deer on it. Okay. We had 66 minus 3, 63 right now. Okay. That is done and out the way. Let's go to our high priority binder. High priority. Second Amendment / MO / firearms savings. We have one measly $1 right now. So we are gonna allot $5 more to ammunition. So we got 1 Abraham Lincoln. So we're gonna take him and put him in front if I can. And change our savings tracker to 8.29 plus $5 equals $6. Cool. Hopefully this will all square up on camera. Probably not. Have to go back off the scenes and do it later. But okay. Ammunition / Second Amendment is done. Clothing / shoes gets 5. But let's subtract our 5. And let's subtract another 5. So after close, we will have $53. We usually don't go in the first try. So we will upgrade our clothing to plus 5, 8.29, and we now have $13. Okay. Alrighty. Energy drinks, which we don't have on here. We'll probably get our $10 because we go out every weekend and get some energy drinks for me. Because caffeine is life. Well, it depends on coffee. Energy drinks or a mixture. So energy drinks will get 10 because that is a good rounded number for a decent bit of energy drinks. And that will probably get taken out almost immediately. Just how it goes. Okay. Minus 10 equals 43 right now. We're gonna search down our line and see if we have anything else in this binder. We have shopping, which Shopping gets $10 this week. So 2 5s. Take our paper clip out. Put the big bills in the back. Or maybe in the front. If you hear a scratching, that is the Frugal Fry. He wants to intrude on our video time. Shopping went from $2 to now $12. Shopping. Oops. I guess I hit 0. $33 right now. All right, our buffer gets 0 this week. Or my babies get 0 this week for savings because that is a new challenge. So that is everything in high priority. Gotta fix that. They always get stuffed under. Okay. In the low priority, these are a bunch of new categories or mixed in categories. So everything's kind of new to me, even though it's not. Personal care or personal hygiene gets 0 this week. Outdoor rec also gets 0 this week. Be more hunting, fishing, hiking, mountain climbing, all that good jazz. Louisiana gets 0 this week, but it has $1. Family also gets 0 this week. Gotta account for those next week. They're new tabs to me. So our tan is our variable. Our beard care, wait, I gotta scratch out the clothes. I didn't do that. Our tan, or beige, I believe. Beard care gets 0. Digital or savings account off of paper gets 0. Tools also get 0 because I have a gift card in there, which I need to get later. But depending on digital, I might do a out-of-pocket 20. So we use these fake motion picture only $20 bills and our dummy money to kind of mark where we are digitally. So I'll probably throw a 20 in a off paper savings account. So digital gets 20 off paper. Or it does have 20. Excuse me. Tookie. George of the Jungle reference. All right, variable expenses is good. Last but not least, I'll put that paper clip in there later. Paper clip is for later. So, savings challenges, topped by our boys, and dice savings this week gets 8. So, we already have some in there. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 in there already. And it gets 8. So, let's see, we got 3 1s, 1 5. 1, 2, 3. And a 5. Let's see if we can hit this on the first try with the perfect folding. Probably not. Kind of crooked, but I'm not OCD, so. So, because we stuffed $8, and our roll, I believe, was, I forgot, maybe a 5 and a 3, typically. So I had to fill in a 5. Color outside the lines is the best. And find a 3. You can always probably wipe this off with a Clorox wipe or something and get it better. So our savings dice challenge is good. So have to take that out. Minus 8, $25 to work with right now. And we might actually roll for next week. So we'll roll 1 die to see. Let's try green this time. 1 die to see how many times we can roll. 3. No, that was just a flop. 2. Okay, good enough. 2 rolls. And we will write down what we roll. A 5. And a, try the green one. Another 5. So we're saving $10 next week. Boom. So I'll actually put it with my dice savings so I don't forget. And write the date so we don't forget. Cool. Dice savings, good. The Frugal Fry gets 8. I just grabbed a spot to savings one. I'll do that in a minute. Spot, you gotta wait. Frugal Fry gets 8. So, a 5, 1, 5, and a 3. 1, 2, 3. So we'll stuff it in here with Mr. French Fry. And I don't think we need to fold that. I think it'll barely fit. Oh, we'll force it to fit, either one. And we get to pick the color. Brown, because he is brown. I think he's more gray. You gotta make it fun. Last week he was the color of Bear in the Big Blue House. Blue. Okay. -8. $17 left. Frugal Fry is checked off. Spot the savings. He gets 6 because he is 6. So a 5 and a 1. $6. Okay. That one has seen better days. Get in there. Go to your new home. We will do spot blue. Radioactive blue. I like the color around it. Two spots. Oh, I just marked up my hand. 2 spots equal $12. -6. $11 to go. All right. Spot the savings. So, next is a penny pitcher. It's a 7. So, penny pitcher gets a 5 and 2 1s. So, with the penny pitcher, with all these pennies filled in, we will save $126. American, not Canadian. So, that's a lot of pennies. Who would have thought? I'll sort them out later off camera. That's just how it goes. Okay. Now the penny gets to be orange. Like a cutie. That's what he is. So, penny is good. -$7. So we only got 4 to go, folks. So, the 30-point buck. The 30-point buck should get $2. Let's see what we got left. 1, 2, 3, and 4. $4 left, just like the calculator said. So I have an extra dollar, then I only accounted for $3. I had an extra dollar. Awesome. I don't know where that came from or where it went. Okay, so the 30-point buck gets $2, which is what he gets. I wonder what color I'm gonna do the 30-point buck. $2 to the 30-point buck because he's very needy. That is atrocious. I put that dollar in there like that. But I will fix that off camera for time constraints. 30-point buck gets $2 and is purple this week. Just like that purple blob. $12 saved with the 30-point buck right now. So, and the mountain challenge gets $1. But before we do that, we gotta run through the rest of our categories. So they didn't show anybody this. Hitch of a Glitch, Savings Challenge, it's 0 this week. Jazzy Jambalaya gets 0 this week. And that's our savings binder. It's getting kind of big. If they'd snap that on the first try, that would be amazing. Okay. Our Mountain Challenge gets $1. I might skip the number 1 and go to number 2 since I have $2 left. And I already opened all my other binders. So I might just skip and do a number 2. So I do believe that I don't scratch it out or don't take it out. I just stuff behind it with the money. Okay. So Mountain Challenge got 2. So -2 for 30-point buck and -2 for our Savings Challenge, Mountain Challenge. So I don't put any scratch off. I don't know how that's crooked. Oh, these are snapping ones as well. Okay. I just put a sticky note over what I did already. Or on the back of this so I know that I did Savings Challenge number 2 already. And next week will be a question mark. So let's run through our totals again just to make sure we got everything. Even though we have no money left over, just to make sure. Started with 66, I believe. -8, -10, -5, -5 again. -6, -7, -6, -2, -1, -5. I'm way off.
you had an extra $1 in the $10 bill from my wallet that you didn't spend.
Oh, yeah. Minus $1 for mountain savings and minus $10 bill for Noella's wallet that she keeps on spare for me. $0. Awesome. That's how you do cash stuffing. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and come back and like and subscribe and view our next video. And see you tentative Tuesday. Bye.